Hello, today we want to explain to you the completely assembly and implementation of the command circuit and power circuit. Here we have a board with elements and equipment. We want to explain the assembling of widely used circuits on electric motors. And using PLC, execute and assemble its circuit. We want to implement all the components one by one. Here we are going to draw the steering wheel and the power. In this part, we will assemble all the elements and explain them to you. Familiarize yourself with programming, implementation and assembly of the complete board. So watch this video in full and support us. If you like it, you can write about this complete course in the comments. Thank you.